Namaskar, friends. Shubh Deepavali, very auspicious Diwali, the Deepavali festival of lights, not only outside but inside. Illuminate yourself, your thoughts, your logic, your emotions, every aspect of your life may be illuminated with the blessings of Ma Lakshmi, the divine goddess of wealth, harmony, and happiness and prosperity. Let the blessings of Mahalakshmi showered upon you, your family, your surroundings. And now it is my turn to give you the best tips for wealth and prosperity to be implemented this Deepavali. This is the best. These are tips are not just imagination created by imagination, but they are based on the deep researches in the astrology as well as Vastu. So the first tip, Deepavali is the festival of lights. The diyas, the lamps, earthen lamps are to be enlightened. So what you to do, just place 5 diyas, minimum 5 diyas. At first, 5 diyas are to be lightened. And what to be done with these 5 diyas? Diya means earthen lamps, you must have seen, which are filled with the clarified butter or ghee or some oil. And remember, very important thing to remember that do not use refined or processed oil in these diyas. These are to be filled with only clarified butter or ghee or some traditional oil, mustard oil, sesame oil called tilka tel or coconut oil. These oils may only be used. You may even use the flaxseed oil also. That is also good. So what to do when you lighten 5 diyas, place 2 diyas in front of your door. One diya this side, one diya that side of the door. And what is door? Door is the suction point of the energy of your house, your office, your industry, your showroom. Okay? So when you burn 2 diyas with on the 2 sides of the door, they will suck the energy. Energy. What is energy? When you say that Mother Lakshmi, the Mother Lakshmi is the symbol of energy, the wealth, prosperity. So these two diyas will attract wealth, prosperity, and divine goddess Mahalakshmi. And now you have 3 diyas. One diya has to be placed at your puja place of worship for divine entities. And remaining 2 diyas, one diya is to be placed at the place where you are keeping your wealth and money. If there is some designated place, if there is no such place, at the place of your kitchen, near the burner where you are cooking your food, your stove, and the last diya is to be placed at the southeast direction of your house. Southeast means direction, it is called Agneya in Indian tradition. Agneya means related to fire. This is direction is just in the mid of south and east. So you may place a compass at the center of your house or in factory or whatever it is, and you may fix up the where the southeast direction is. And you may place the last diya at the point. So when you are keeping all the 5 diyas in this manner, they will create a lot of positive energy and harmony in your surrounding. And after placing all these diyas in this manner, you may enlighten more diyas and may place all over your house, your factory, your store, whatever it is. You can do that. Okay? This is the best way to place the diyas. Next tip for the wealth and prosperity from my side is that just take a Sri Yantra made from Parada. Parada means processed mercury as per tradition. And incidentally, we are the only person who have been authorized by the government of India to write original Parada Sri Yantra. Okay? As decided by the government of India, we are authorized to, we are the absolute persons. Only we can write this. So take a Sri Yantra Parada Sri Yantra, Miss Sri Yantra made from Parada, and keep at your puja place while you are doing worshipping Mahalakshmi. Okay? This will energize the place, and consequently the Sri Yantra will also be energized with the puja. And one more thing you can do that on the occasion of Deepavali, we organize very systematic puja, very deep puja for Mahalakshmi, and for our patrons, we keep Sri Yantra in that puja, and after finishing the puja, we dispatch Sri Yantra to our patrons. So you may also request on our website astrodhyam.com to do puja in this manner. After Deepavali, we will dispatch you highly energized Parad Sri Yantra to you for the benefit of you. Okay, so this is the Parad Sri Yantra is to be used in this manner. Next, there is a hymn जो है और स्त्रोत और the literature called Sri Sukta. It has come from the Vedas. It is specifically devoted to Divine Mother Lakshmi. You may recite Sri Sukta at the time of puja, or if you are unable to recite because it is in Sanskrit, just play from the internet. Yes, Sri Sukta. A lot of Sri Suktas have been recorded and placed on the internet. You may just play Sri Sukta जो है any of version. A lot of persons have recited this or recorded this. It is very beneficial. It gets a lot of positivity so far as wealth and prosperity is concerned. So recite Sri Sukta or play it. Okay. Next thing is that very important that you have to blow the conch called Shankh or conch, or tingle the ghantis, okay, bells, which is used in the puja all around your place, and make noise. Just remember, many people will suggest you go celebrate Deepavali very peacefully. These ignorant do not know you are creating bank of energy in your environment. And I know that many persons in the uh, Western countries and America get a lot of depressive tendencies in the winter time, because in the northern hemisphere this is the period for the whole period which is coming from 3, 4, 5 months, a deficiency of energy in your surroundings. So don't fall into the prey of these ignorant persons. Make a lot of noise, play music, dance a lot, celebrate the Deepavali like anything. Do this and fill the energy with a lot of energy. Even you may use the crackers, provided they are not pollutants. Okay, crackers are very good so far as the Deepavali time is concerned. Do this. Okay, next tip is that bring a broom. Bring a broom and clean your house with the new broom. Okay, on the morning of Deepavali, and just use that broom. Not only that physical broom, but you must be having some garbage in your thoughts, in your emotions. Clean also that. Yeah, just close your eyes and imagine that you are having a broom. You are cleaning your heart, your brain, your thoughts, your emotions, and remove the unwanted things from your thoughts and emotions. Please, you will feel very light. This is also the Deepavali tip, because more light you are, more beneficial you are. Next tip is that And you must be knowing that the Amavasya new moon day is the day for worshipping of our ancestors called Pitar as per Hindu tradition. So in the morning of Amavasya or Deepavali day, do one thing. Take a bowl or water vessel, a small water vessel, pour some honey, pour some milk, pour some and place some holy basil leaves called tulsi ke patta, tulsi leaves, and some black sesame. Okay, now fill it with water, and if you have some auspicious thing cooked in your home, take it out also, and go on your rooftop or somewhere open place, face towards south, and remember your ancestors who are no more. Okay, and three times you have to pour water three times towards south direction, remembering those ancestors. If you know the exact procedure of shraddha or worshipping ancestors, it's so fine, it's very good. But if you don't know, do this very simple exercise. And who is Pitar? It is your past. Pitar is your ancestors, your past. So this Deepavali, just sit peacefully for some moments and review our past year from last Deepavali to this Deepavali, and you see that there are so many things to be reviewed and corrected. This is also time for reviewing the whole year which has passed from last Deepavali to this Deepavali. Okay. And the another very important tip for wealth and prosperity, that since Deepavali is the festival of creating energy with the movement, move at least 27 items. Why 27 items? Because in the whole zodiac in our universe, there are 27 stars. 27 stars. So what you have to do, if you want to get the energy of all 27 stars, you have to move 27 persons, dispose something which is not wanted in your house, bring something which is wanted in your house, and when you finish, count how many things you have moved. If whatever is lacking to complete, you have to complete number 27. So move something, so suppose there is a picture placed here, move it to the other direction. Some showpiece here, move to other direction. Complete 27 number. Believe me, it will create a lot of energy in your house. Okay. Now, very important tip. Very important tip. You must have heard the stories of Ramayana or Mahabharata. The great, mighty, learned Ravana got ultimately finished because he did disrespect to women. Kauravas, very mighty, very powerful, finished because they tried to disrobe the women. So this tip of the Deepavali is that respect women, females. Because Lakshmi or wealth and prosperity is denoted by the all-time wealth and prosperity, your vehicle, your mobile, your good home is denoted by the planet Venus, and planet Venus is signified by the women. So if you are disrespecting women, you'll be not able to get blessings of divine goddess Lakshmi. And I have seen big empires and big families, very rich, getting wiped out from the annals of history due to causing disrespect to the women folk. Remember, my friends, respect women, especially on the Deepavali day and throughout your life, if you want to continue in a wonderful way. Remember this thing. One more thing. Maintain harmony in your family members. The great Saint Tulsidas had said, Jahan sumati tah sampati nana. Where is harmony between the members, a lot of prosperity is there. So maintain happiness and harmony between the family members. I will remember my words. You will get a lot of prosperity and wealth due to this tip only. Very nothing, not even single penny you have to spend on this tip you have. And the last two tips, very important, very effective, which has come from annals of great science of Vastu. And before telling you these two tips, I request you to subscribe our channel so that you always come to know of the very scientific facts about astrology and Vastu. We do not give imaginary tip, totka, tona, totka, Dipavali par itna kaudi, just bring this color, that color. No. All our tips are based on the deep research and ancient scriptures which have proved their authenticity and validity. So last two tips, go your Uttar Disha, north direction of your house, your factory, your office, whatever it is, north direction. This direction is direction of Kubera, the custodian of wealth among divine entities, divine energies, and remove the Uttar Disha or north direction is the direction of water element. So remove whichever denotes fire element in that direction. It may be of any shade of red color, it may be anything, gas cylinders of red color, anything which is concerned with the fire, just remove it from the north direction. Believe me, you will feel the benefit of this tip right now. And the last tip, that is most important tip, and I have no words to appreciate that tip, that check your southeast direction called Agneya in Sanskrita. This is direction of Ma Lakshmi, Divine Mother Lakshmi, and see that if anything denoting water and which includes black and blue color in any form, remove this. If there is water storage, there is big tap for water, just remove from the southeast direction of your house, because this is the direction of fire, south direction of fire. And if anything related to water or black and blue color, it should not be there, because it will create clashes. So these were the tips which ensure wealth and prosperity in your life. And last but not the least, I request you to see the video of which you have created in English as well as Hindi for performing Lakshmi Puja on the occasion of Deepavali. Many half-baked astrologers and consultants are saying that you should also worship Saraswati on this day. No. For the Saraswati, the specific day year marked is Basant Panchami, the Saraswati birthday, which comes in the month of around in the month of January. This day is the day year marked for Divine Mother Lakshmi, and the God of intellect and wisdom, Ganesha, gives him her company. You may place all the gods and goddesses, Shiv, Parvati, Narayan, everyone जो है, but this, including Saraswati and Hanumanji, any god you remember, you may place. But this day is especially for the puja of Lakshmi and Ganesh. Primarily Lakshmi and Ganesh will give him company, because without intellect, wealth will evaporate like anything. Okay, so do in a very authentic way and try to do puja on the special muhurta or auspicious time, which have also been given on our website astrodevam.com, as well as special muhurta video created on our Astrodevam channel. Believe me, if you are doing puja or the special occasion of this time, it will be especially benefited and your puja will be more fruitful, and the divine blessings of Ma Lakshmi will fall upon, showered upon you It is my wish, and it will happen if you are going to implement these tips. Thank you again, and my best wishes. Happy Deepavali, Shubh Deepavali, auspicious Deepavali to all of you. Let the prosperity and wealth bloom like anything in your life. Thank you. Namaskar. Shubh Deepavali.